Hi everyone, welcome to a new episode of
Jesse's Tips and Tricks.
Today I want to remind you of the impact that sound effects can have, especially in a video with no interview that only consists of some B-roll and music. Here's a video without any sound effects. Now let's see what happens when we add some sound effects. As you can see, or should I say hear, everything comes much more to life. And it almost sounds like this is the audio from the original recording. Which it is absolutely not. If you listen to the effects without the music, it will sound a bit overdone or a little infantile even. But together with the music, pushing the sound effects a bit more to the background, it all seems to make sense. So play around with the sound effects that contribute to the message you want to convey with your video. Look for appropriate sound effects and make sure they're in balance with the music. You want the audio to support your video, not take the lead role. Unless you want to end up with a video like this. Right. Well, I hope you folks all enjoyed yourselves. Catch you on later down the trail. Say, friend, you got any more of that good sarsaparilla?